In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a Trello card. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or a newcomer, adding images to your cards can greatly enhance your board's functionality by providing visual cues to important information. Let's start by logging into your Trello account. Open your browser and navigate to the Trello website. Once you're there, you'll see the login button. Click on it and you'll be presented with several options. We recommend using Google for a quick and easy login, so go ahead and select the Google login option. Choose your Google account if prompted, and Trello will direct you to your boards. Now, we need to locate the board where you want to add your image. Click on your desired board from the board menu. If you're following along, you might be using a test board or an existing project board. Once your board loads up, find the card to which you want to add an image. Click on the card to open it. You'll notice a series of options appear on the right side of your screen. We're particularly interested in the option labeled Attachment. Clicking this will allow you to add various files to your card. The next step is to choose a file to upload. After selecting attachment, you'll want to click on Choose a File. This option lets you browse your computer for the image you want to upload. A dialog box will appear on your screen, presenting you with a familiar file explorer. Navigate through your folders to locate your desired image. Once you find it, click Open or Select, depending on your system, to begin the upload process. After a brief moment, your image will upload to Trello and attach itself to the card. Visual content can provide greater clarity to tasks, project milestones, or creative projects you're working on. Now, with the image successfully added, take a moment to view it and ensure it perfectly represents the task or information associated with the card. Remember, you can always reposition cards or make further edits to tailor the layout of your Trello board exactly how you want it. Images can be added to multiple cards across different boards. Practice using this feature to keep your tasks visually organized. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to adding an image to a Trello card. This process can significantly improve not only your workflow but also help your team visualize project progress. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.